I'm here today to do another progress video on our Ralph Haver mid-century modern home in the Arcadia neighborhood. We've moved into another stage where we are replacing all of the drain lines from the home. Everything under the floor, all the way from the smallest faucet out through the outside of the house. I'll just show you, we got a fair amount of concrete's come out of that floor. It's unfortunate to have to do, but to change the drain lines, that's what goes on. I'll show you a little bit out here in front. This is where we have taken the drain from out of the kitchen, brought it out here, took out some newer concrete that had been put in and tunneled under the original concrete, taken that on to connect with the existing sewer pipe that'll run out to the alley. This goes out here, and I'll get right over here. This is the whole setup going. This is coming from the kitchen. At the far end there is where it hooks onto the clay pipe. If I can maneuver around here, this is where it comes out from in the house. Just inside this room right here is the bathroom, the master bathroom. So I'll show you inside. You can go in the front door here. Over in this area, this is inside the kitchen. This is where this came in from the outside we saw just a moment ago. This was the original place where it did come in. Luckily it was behind where the dishwasher was. That sure made it easier. You'll see at the top of that yellow tag hooking onto the metal pipe. The metal pipe is the original air vent. Going sideways from there, that's where we're getting over to the new drain that will be installed underneath the sink there. So it's an entirely new pipe, all the way from the kitchen sink all the way out to the outside. Over in this other area, let's see, we'll check on where the pipe comes in from the outside. We were just outside a minute ago with that big pipe coming in. This is where it comes in. Comes in right here. And this is a vent pipe rising up here. And then it also, if I can get down to the right place, branches off from there, right there, and goes over to the toilet in the water closet. This other pipe coming up here and going over, you can see that it actually breaks into two sections right there. That's going to go, the one that's rising right there, that will be for the washer drain. The other going over, that's a 2-inch line, both those are 2-inch lines, are going in here. You can see it passing through. That's going to, well, first of all, you can see where the pipe is rising up to go to the washer drain. Down here, I guess this is an old pipe that this is no longer hooked up. That must have been for some other drain. On this side we're coming up. This is going to be a vent pipe right there. That'll let air in to the system. And going over here, they've hooked into the shower. So that's all hooked up there. We'll look in the master bathroom real quick. This is coming in from that laundry room, and the riser there will hook into the drain for the vanity. Over here we can see the new pipe coming in for the toilet. Now all of this has been inspected by the City of Phoenix and passed inspection. They do a visible inspection, and they also do a water test on this, where this big pipe rising up here, it is they plug the whole system and totally fill it full of water all the way up to the roof. And it has to hold that water overnight, so that way they know there's no leaks. So this is the drain line that's going to go out the back of the house. You can see it exiting out the back. You can also see under the slab there, that's running over to the tub. And then coming off this vent is coming right here, and that's for your vanity. That coupled up with all your new water lines should work really well. You can see there's a really good reason we took all the carpet out of this room. You can see how much dirt piles up. I don't know if we can see anything else out here. Yeah, let's see if I can open this real quick. This is coming out the back of the house there. That pipe rising up, that is that's for the clean out. And that ran across the yard here, and it's hooking into the clay pipe as it runs out towards the alley. So I think that is literally the end of the story.